Hi everyone, this is Nimra Mughal from the Talent Acquisition Department. Welcome at Venture Dive. So today we are going to meet with our new joiners, with our fresh graduates who have recently joined us in different departments. Hi Anas, how are you?
Hi, I'm great.
So Anas, our audience would like to know more about you. So it would be great if you can introduce yourself first and then I have a question for you.
My name is Mohammad Anas bin Atiq and I have joined Venture Dive in the backend competency as a associate software engineer Java.
What advice would you give to our applicants or students who are about to graduate and start their careers in IT?
They should focus on their basics and they should figure out that what they want to pursue in long term, and they should get themselves a good mentor as it is really essential for their growth, and eventually things will work out for them.
Guys, our audience would like to know more about you. So it would be great if you can introduce yourself first and then I'll ask few questions.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sam Saudagar. I am a fresh graduate from IB Karachi and I am currently in the web competency working as an associate software engineer at Venture Dive.
Okay, so Sam, can you describe your first week at Venture Dive and how has it been so far?
So the first week at Venture Dive was very informative. We met the competency, we met the heads, we met the CEO, we met the CTO. It was very engaging, very welcoming and very warm. It was very, very informative.
Hello everyone, I'm Aliza and I'm a fresh graduate from FAST Karachi. I've joined Venture Dive in the backend competency as an associate software developer.
Okay, so Aliza, I have a question for you. So can you tell me what's your go-to song or playlist when you're deep in coding?
So my go-to song to listen to when I'm coding is classical music.
So Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Ali Haider and I just graduated from IBA and I'm currently working in Venture Dive as an associate Flutter developer.
So Ali, the question for you is what advice you can give to our fresh graduates who are just about to graduate and start their careers in IT?
The advice I would like to give to the young people would be that you should engage yourself with as much internship as possible and work with as many new skills and learn as many new skills as possible.
Hi Shez, how are you? What?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you tell me how would you describe the culture at Venture Dive?
Okay, so the three things which I would like to add, like Venture Dive has a open door policy, the learning is great, and again the culture is very welcoming for the fresh grad, so that's amazing.
All right, so Shez, thank you so much for the answering the first question. Another question I have for you is if you could have any superpower related to technology, so what it be?
I would like to have instant data upload to brains, technology, which would straight away load all of the requirements into my brain instantly.